Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. Employees of T&RM Department of SAIL RSP awarded for innovative effort. Session of the Communication Initiative Beyond 100% held at Research and Control Lab, and Sarala Devi, a literary feminist and a freedom fighter. Now the news in detail. A team of employees of Traffic and Raw Materials Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant was awarded in a function organized on 7th October 2021 for successfully executing an innovative job. Mr. N.R. Roy Chaudhary, GM in charge, presented the awards to the team members, namely Mr. Abdul Razak, Manager, Mr. Naresh Chandra Mishra, Mr. Manoj Kumar Panda, Mr. Rajendra Pradhan, Mr. Jaladhara Sahu, Mr. Naresh Chandra Barik, Mr. R.K. Sethi, and Mr. Sadasiva Mandala of T&RM, all employees of T&RM, for their commendable contributions in carrying out the project modification of dynamo drive system in Bhel locomotive. The employees were awarded under the Utkarsh Award scheme of the steel plant. It is worth mentioning here that the special award scheme aims to foster innovation and creativity amongst the employees by recognizing their outstanding efforts to enhance production and productivity of the plant. Notably, the modification carried out by the awarded team helped in eliminating frequent failure of critical parts of the locomotive apart from facilitating smooth need-based maintenance. Based on the efficient results, the project has now been implemented in 4 locomotives. The effort has accrued substantial tangible and intangible benefits besides enhancing safety. The noteworthy effort has also helped in increased availability of the locomotives. Mr. Hiralal Mohapatra GM, Mr. R.C. Behra GM and other senior officers of the department were present in the award function. Mr. R.N. Mishra AM, personnel, coordinated the program. A lecture and presentation session of Beyond 100% series, the weekly communication meeting for the employees of Research and Control Laboratory of Rourkela Steel Plant, was held at the main conference hall of the department on 8th October 2021. Mr. Atish Chandra Sarkar, CGM Quality, presided over the session. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Sarkar highlighted the importance of giving back to societal leadership and creating positive footprint in the society. He also stressed upon the need of work-life balance for stress-free life and better productivity. During the program, the session on safety was conducted by Ms. Rasmita Barla, OCT, while planning perspective in RCL was taken by Ms. Nivedita Samal, AGM, RCL. Ms. Munmun Mitra, GM, CSR, took a session on creating a positive footprint in the society. The topic, an elusive balance between work and life and hobby, was dealt by Ms. Joveta Chaudhary, Senior Architect, Cognizant Technologies. This was followed by an open house discussion which witnessed an active participation by the participants. The program concluded with a formal vote of thanks by Ms. Khushbu Mishra, Manager, RCL. Mr. Bharati Karao, Manager, RCL, coordinated the whole event. It is noteworthy that the weekly communication exercise has been initiated for the employees of various labs inside the plant to promote the culture of learning, knowledge sharing, innovative thinking and safety. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the freedom fighters of Orissa, some well known and some lesser known. Today's personality is Sarala Devi. Sarala Devi was the first freedom fighter who would be remembered as the most outstanding literary feminist who contributed to the making of modern Orissa. She was born on 19th August 1904 in Narilo village in Jagatsinghpur district. Sarala Devi joined the non-cooperation movement during the Indian freedom struggle in 1921. She was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and strived hard to reform social evils and to uplift the status of women. Sarala Devi had the distinction of being the first lady of Orissa who was imprisoned for participating in the national movement. As a part of independent India, she became the first woman who became a member of the Orissa Legislative Assembly. Sarala Devi was also elected to be the first female speaker of the Legislative Assembly. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.